Hello there YouTube, how are ya? Been a while, a bit of a flu or a cold on me, so I've not been doing a whole pile of late, but I said I'd come on to let you know. I like messing about with cars as well, and a bit of a change here. I suppose the old Focus is gone. We got rid of it, and we have a replacement now. So I just thought I'd do a little video to show you what that's all about. So I picked this up just Friday gone, and did not pay a whole lot of money for it in typical Georgie i7KO fashion, and we're quite pleased with it. So let's show you what we've got going on. So there you have it, 2004 Mercedes CL 203. 1.8 compressor, and it's in really good shape. I picked this up off of a ad site here called Done Deal, kind of something similar to Craigslist, or I guess, and very happy with my purchase. As I said, it's 2004. It's done 87,000 miles, and one lady owner from new, and full Mercedes-Benz service history all the way along, which is very surprising. It's had the time and chain done at 80,000 miles. So there you go. I'll show you a look inside. So there we have it. Just close the door. And that's kilometers now, so that's 87,000 miles. And this thing is very clean inside. It's in really good condition. As I said, lady owner, so a really good nick, and we're quite pleased with it. So just fired up. Whisper quiet, no rattles, no nothing. Well, we have one job to do. One of the coil springs on the back is cracked at the top, so we'll probably end up changing out the two of them. And you know me, so far I've swapped out all the lights inside for LED. You see the one in the back there. Where are you? The one in the back done as well. So I'm just waiting on some for the number plates, the number plate lights. The ones I had wouldn't fit, so I had to order some. I tried to modify them as best I could, but no dice. So eventually we'll get rid of that. We'll slap in one of these cheap doubled in Android jobs in there. One with the screen mirroring for the phone. So that's that. So that's my new purchase, and I'm quite happy with it. So the only thing I was disappointed about is it doesn't have any air conditioning Focus. Much to my surprise, my sister-in-law has one of these. It's a 031, and hers has. So I guess it just wasn't spec'd when it was being bought new. So it's got cruise control and the auto lights and wipers and remote central locking, which is a big novelty for me. The old Focus was key in the door job, and sometimes the central locking worked and sometimes it didn't, but there you have it, the old magic tree. We managed to sell the Focus. It still had a test on it until the middle of February, so we offloaded that for a few €100. And all in all, if I take into account what I got for the Focus, this car only cost me €900, taking in what I got for the Focus. So quite pleased with that. So you can expect to see a few videos on this when I get going, and a few little jobs and I suppose improvements and things like that. So there you have it. And we'll catch you again very soon. This is George, BI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.